In your WordPress, hover over Tools and click on Import button. Scroll down to find WordPress and click on Install Now. Now, click on Run Importer. On the Import WordPress window, click on Choose File button. Then locate the demo content folder, and then select the demo content file. Now click on Upload File and Import. You can choose your username to assign the posts of the demo data. You can also check, download, and import file attachments. Please note, upon selecting this checkbox, the importer can take time to import the demo content. Now click on Submit. Congratulations! Your demo data is imported.